All right, guys, today we're going to talk about graphing linear functions. I started off with a review. You can find the video lessons last class. Well, actually, I'll just go ahead and do these. If I want to know what f is -2 is, looking at the graph, -2 represents x. We go there on the x-axis. You would get yourself to the graph, bring yourself over to the y, and we would figure out that the output would be 7. For f is 0, here's where x is 0. You just kind of go up to the graph. It is already on the y-axis, so that would be a 3. F of 1, so here's 1. You go up to where the 1 is. Head over to the y-axis, that would be 1. And where the function is 6, it's times we have to head down to actually hit the graph. And then we go over to the left, and we find out we are at -9. What we're going to do today is go the other way. Now I'm saying, okay, if f of x, if the output's equal to -8, then what does x equal? So we go to -8 on the y-axis, because remember, f of x really represents y. So that's the same thing as y. So we go -8 on the y, bring ourselves over to the function, head up to the x-axis and see what number we're at, and we're at -6. If this function, the output's equal to -4, again, head over to the function itself, head up to the x-axis, we're at -4. If x is equal to 0, then we are at 4. If x is equal to 4, oh, no. If f, I did that one backwards, that last one, my apologies. Went the wrong way here. So we need to erase this and get rid of you. All right, so what I meant to say here is if f of x equals 0, so where is y 0? Y is 0 here. We head over to the x-axis, we're at -2. If f of x is 4, so here the function is 4 on the y value, what x value are you at? We're at 0. And if y is equal to 8, we head down to the x, we get 2. Let me do one more example of that for you. Actually, I'm going to let you guys try the next two. Just because I made that error, I think I'll do this one for you. So when y is equal to 2, so when y is equal to +2, we head over to the function. I want to know what the x value is, so we come down and we get x equal to, now I got to count these out, 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. When the function is equal to 1, when the output's equal to 1, what x value is making that happen? That's -2. When the function's at 0, what x value is that? We're right here at the origin, so that's 0, 0. When the function's equal to -1, we're here, so what x value? We'll have to head up 2. And when y is equal to -2, what x value is making that happen? Well, that is 4. All right, guys, you try this one. Check your answers against the key in Schoology. Now we're going to talk about actually graphing a linear function. What you want to do is make an input-output table or t-chart. I'll do it both ways to find the ordered pairs. You want to pick numbers that are kind of close to the origin and that make sense. It's going to make your calculations as easy as possible. If I put -2 in here, so let's say we want to find out what is f of -2, you get -2 times -2 plus 1. That's going to get you 5. F of -1 is going to be -2 times -1 plus 1. So that's going to be 2 plus 1, that's 3. If I would define f of 0, we would get 1. See, f of 1 minus 2 times 1 plus 1. So that's -2 plus 1. So that's going to be -1. And then if I tried f of 2, -2 times 2 plus 1, we would get -3. Then you want to plot your ordered pairs on xy coordinate planes. So -2, 5 would be here. -1, 3 would be here. 0, 1, 1, -1, 2, -3. And the last thing you want to do, I'm going to try and make this as straight as possible, is go ahead and connect the dots. I'm going to do one more for you. This time we're using a T-chart instead of a table. I want to pick numbers that are going to cancel out with 3. So this time I'm going to pick -6, -3, 0, 3, and 6. If I were to put 6 in here, so what is g of we'll do -6 first. That would get you -2 minus another 2. There should be a minus there, so that would be -4. G of -3, that's going to get you -1 minus 2, so it's going to be -3. F of 0, so 1/3 times 0 minus 2, you get -2. You may kind of check or kind of catch on to the pattern that's taking place. It is linear, should have a pattern on that side. What do we do? F of 3, so 1/3 times 3 minus 2, so it's 1 minus 2, that's -1. The last one I'm choosing is F of 6. It's going to get me 2 minus 2, that is 0. Go ahead, plot your points, so -6, -4, -3, -3, 0, -2, 3, -1, and 6, 0. I can see that those are definitely in a straight line. These are linear. If you don't get a straight line, you made a boo-boo. And you make a graph. All right, there are 2 for you to try on your own. Answer keys are in Schoology. Please check them. And as always, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.